Kajing Shah Thwet ban kem ya kisau ngut kinong shong shnong ka Jatalong Riboy District ka baha ba khaput ka jala Meghalaya ba Assam bat kajing bam yo kilong ying jong ki ba Siat Mukroh ya kajing Bishar hong kala penlong yo ba Erwin case im sutnga unong esat an ba pau khmat ha ka jala bat kumu chairman ka Joint Action Committee on Border of Meghalaya ban kan tho da ka ba ong ba I kumba ki an ka jala Assam ki kham halor ban ya ki an ka jala Meghalaya Uba Erwin uba don hapadeng ke jingsha sumar ka kho siu jung u hanigrims habaya kran halor ka ni ka phang ha ka pratarek urempang arja arpusa ulaong baka jing haki khaput ka long baka sarkar Meghalaya kamla bante la kam ya ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Kuman Shukdo baki bor pulit baki bor pinya district ka West Karbi Anglong hadian shisnam tam kila mi biang ban Thwet ban kem ya ki saungot ki dong song snong ka Jatalong namar ki muka dema persya ya ki hakabaya dei ba jingpan prapat ba yau maunong rem upala bu da ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ban te ya ki inspection bungalow jong ka tanat forest ka council haka khat ar tarik unai wing arja arpuar Ulaong bagajing ekran hadin ketiga jingja ban kem ya kita saungon kam dei ka badondor namar kat kum ki hukum syakam ki pau bon teli ki kendon.
This is the whole problem. Kani ketika jingja ki jung pai ba jungi basa border rangai. The law of Assam reigns supreme. The law of Meghalaya is just like a trickle of water, where it's not enough to drink. The kaiga baja kalong, but there is no full protection of our people. The Mukroh incident is an open, blatant act of violence and aggression against our people. Five of Panahar men were killed on that day. Siat itu. But pilai ihi ke ibaja, laya long ke tamasha politics ke bahaya. Handai haduk mantap pada kimla pan resolve ke iu nomor balik. Ke Mukroh kamdei ke area of dispute. Let us be very clear. Mukroh is not the area of dispute. Tambah ke Assam government pada ke kuat be teruk pe mentah apa nongwa mentumor tursitor ki area bam dispute tursitor keramban dadon ke final survey om baik kene gitu dia nomor kata kadau ngaku mempetip ro bah gini sini ngandala long bantu banta ngala jam dep ke court on the border ngan ai lu sopai ba porok kini jing sisa ki court kisah porok kin ngan perlu apa tu ke court bat ngala don ro ke proof but system ka panginyala ka papiang. Government of Meghalaya immediately has to initiate a dialogue, not a dialogue, they has to immediately initiate a discussion with the government of Assam at the levels of the DGP, the Deputy Commissioner, to stop this first. Kihapan pasangat suai kan. Namar larakan pasangat kan bathai ke border kan umslam biang kinyap biang kin hap kit kre magi. Kata tengah laong lupa. Kihapan kit kre magi. Namar kani ke situation ke belaslan handrai dah ke mishandle bagi saya ni ke MOU saya ni kini katai kasami biang kini situation bagi tinggi ber kim honar tak namar ki kuat muan passport. Ya mga ke mangalaong na do mensuai ke border issue. Wakum chairman Joko Joint Action Committee on the border of Meghalaya. We have filed the case. We have filed the petition in the High Court of Meghalaya. The state government has gone in appeal against Persha yang filed this in, but mentang ila join lang sa tay. Rega jinga kalong ba the government of Meghalaya has not been able to control the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Kawai kalong ba kato kacakan tu kadai jong ka hospitalan ka balang hospitalan. Kini ki issues ki bangi hapan pek mentan marblai khamtam yangi land holding system ke jongi roka kadai rekumbai ndai tamba land holding system kadai rekumbai ngidai ke jai benriu ajai kemi kita silang gidi jai benriu ba ai jai kpa kajinge manta kalong ba ladam resort ini ke bomda namar ka research ke jonga ke penisai kedar ba what ya ka constituent assembly ro kila ong ba ka jaka jong ki Karbi kadai nadu naugong sip sagai but kani kadai ka bagi push yaki na po kakazira nga valley. They have pushed the Karbis into this area. I have ngadon ya ka substantial proof. Ya ka diary jong UAE heat WSDO civil WSDO jong ka Juai civil subdivision ha ko. Ba ha ka to diary ka jong he found that the place was gat kajaka sa di kinong pulut. Ki penar ki jong but tentang saus dong ki Karbi yang tu. Kata kadi hat kendai spa arpo we te Mynta pi ka hakadi ka jinga phalok politics non ba pacho ek historical background non ba pacho ek needs of the people come from ni ka jai konrio ajai kri we are a matrilineal society we cannot sacrifice the values of our society to what is being imposed on us right now. Because Shillong na tangani ba, this situation will not be resolved. Lamda, the government of India steps in, because under Article 1 of the Constitution of India, the central government has a right to define the boundaries of the states, but we want a historical definition. Hey, let them done the historical definition. Namar balik, kani ka huri hura bro de pare. Nado ka Treaty of Yandabo, 1826. One of the terms and conditions of the Treaty of Yandabo was that the erstwhile area of Jainti Hills, which include this Block 1 and Block 2, they were given to the British. After the creation of Kamrup district, for administrative convenience, the areas which were falling under Nongklaus Imship, kani ka Moktomor, kani ka baki Ongka Bertolam, Haduk Bramputrang, Hajing Shah, Kamapo 1892 Kalapaniba, what ka Gohatiru Kadeha Pokasi, Jainti Hills district. The Kanega reiterate yang sisin. Number one, the safety of our people must be looked into. They must be given protection. In fact, katuka meeting jong DGP Khatsan Parik. Khatsao kategori I the petition. 15, the DGP called a meeting in Morris night. Assam senior Assam officials, IS officials, IPS officials were present in that meeting. Assurance was given that no action will be taken on this. Here is where we find that assurance has no value. Why it has no value? Because it seems that what was decided by the higher ups, Jatalong, kini ba siya po agintip, utu ufile yung charge sheet. Action was taken. So therefore, that meeting had no value. Now, if they want to straighten this mess out, the government of Meghalaya, Director General Police, the Chief Secretary, they'll have to take this matter. Immediately, they'll have to look into this matter. Alright, kila banong ba? It was an act of vandalism. It was an act of destruction of public, because the section kapag charge kadita protection kadika act against destruction of public property. One of the sections 5. Criminal conspiracy is there and other matters are there. But the point is that this is a sensitive area. The matter now is pending before the Supreme Court. It is pending before the High Court. At least the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council should have kila day man break. That is why I want to speak to our Karbi, to the Karbi people, to their leaders, that you should have waited until at least the matter before the Supreme Court and the High Court of Meghalaya was resolved before proceeding ahead with this ostentatious show of development, which you are doing it for your own political mileage. For once, let us forget politics. Let us go to sort out this matter in the right way. And for this, we require that the government of Meghalaya now, they should also stop this politicking. Especially, they should not try to gain mileage. If they do it in the right way, that political mileage will come. We will not deny them their due. But the point is that right now, the situation at the border may turn explosive. I don't want that to happen. Takadang kerpat hi perlok kiba jane anga kiba segwan sanga kiba ngi yale ikanika jingale ek border kum chairman jong joint action committee jom ka border on the border Meghalaya kajak bom nga kerpat hi perlok jong hiro bangin ya long jai jai shwa ya kitu kisamut nga saya krem bagirang ba jom hikum no bandet langin le High Court Meghalaya ngin le High Court Guwahati. That kata pada ketika legal issue ngin siya pada kumno banlek ta ka Shillong Mail sate ane ka jintia marang nang sudah cooperation dia kenika major operation dia kenika ko se ko jonga kila tapag implant te nga kermen bangandami na kanina hospital nganum ra dingdo syo bangandum hapan poi kum sa Mukroh ngapoi de bang hapra dingdo nomor balai la jaus nam jong ki kon jong sa perli ko jongi handrai manta beranga kermen ba kajing sumar kan biang Ba ngan mi nang ni ba na kular ki pai ba jongi ba ngan pendap ya kan kam bagi yo biang ya hok